all these people are engaging in aerobic activities. What does that mean? Well, aerobics, what is also referred to as cardio, is any activity that gets you breathing harder and your heart beating faster for a continuous period of time. Aerobic activity could be walking briskly, running hard, riding a bicycle, pushing a lawnmower, swimming in the sun, or dancing under the stars. I'm Dave Petania, and in this video, I'll show you what counts towards the guidelines for aerobic activities. For substantial health benefits, it's recommended that most adults get at least 150 minutes a week of moderate intensity aerobic activity, such as brisk walking, or 75 minutes a week of vigorous intensity aerobic activity, such as jogging, or an equivalent mix of both moderate and vigorous intensity aerobic activity each week. Intensity is simply how hard your body is working during aerobic activity. To count toward the guidelines, it requires a moderate or vigorous level of effort. But how do you know if you're doing a light, moderate, or vigorous intensity aerobic activity? For most people, daily activities such as shopping or light housework don't increase your heart rate very much. That makes these activities light intensity. Things such as walking briskly, swimming, or mowing the lawn increase their heart rate some, making them moderate intensity activities. Vigorous intensity activities include such workouts as running, playing basketball, swimming laps, or mountain biking. These activities really get your heart pumping and you breathing heavily.
Toes to the back. Very good.
Here's a simple way to find out your level of activity. It's called the talk test. I've just started walking slowly on this treadmill, a light intensity activity. Now, as you can hear, I can still speak normally, but in a few minutes when I increase my pace, okay, now I've raised my heart rate and even broken a sweat. This is the moderate intensity level. I'm still able to talk fairly normally, but listen when I try and sing. She'll be coming round the mountain when she... Well, luckily I can't sing at this level, which should be the same for you if you're doing activities that require moderate effort, such as walking briskly, dancing, or mowing the lawn. Now let's really pick up the pace. Okay, now I'm jogging. And as you can tell now, I'm not able to say more than a few words without pausing for a breath. I'm breathing hard and fast, and my heart rate has increased quite a bit. This is vigorous intensity activity. Wow, that was a nice little workout. For most adults, vigorous intensity activities include jogging, jumping rope, playing basketball, or swimming laps. What all this means is that if you're looking to get the benefits of 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity in less time, you can gradually replace some of your moderate level activities with vigorous aerobic activities. A rule of thumb is that 1 minute of vigorous intensity activity equals about 2 minutes of moderate intensity activity. So in other words, for every 10 minutes of vigorous intensity activity undertaken, you're getting about the same benefits as doing 20 minutes of a moderate intensity activity. Many people prefer this option because it gives them important health benefits in half the time. However, if you haven't been very active lately, slowly work your way up to the more vigorous intensity activities. It's important for your safety and your health to feel comfortable doing activities that require moderate effort before moving up the intensity. Gradually replace moderate activities such as brisk walking with vigorous activities that take a lot more effort, like jogging. The guidelines are all about doing appropriate types and amounts of activity that are also right for your fitness level. What counts in your aerobic activities is getting active because some activity is better than none. For substantial health benefits, aim to meet the minimum guidelines we talked about earlier. If you want even more health benefits, do more physical activity. I'm Dave Petania asking you to raise that heart rate and get active, healthy, and happy.